The Qualirey Solar Motion Sensor Alarm is a versatile security solution that utilizes solar power to conserve energy, making it both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Equipped with customizable sound options, this alarm can emit various sounds like dog barking or even user-recorded sounds, providing a personalized deterrent against intruders. Its adjustable modes allow for flexibility in operation, whether you need round-the-clock protection or just nighttime security, all easily managed with a remote control. The alarm system includes a robust strobe light and a durable polymer battery, ensuring reliable performance in diverse outdoor settings such as farms and orchards. With a comprehensive package that includes 2 alarms, USB charging cables, and installation accessories, it is designed to meet all your security needs efficiently. The Qualirey alarm set is easy to install and use, offering a practical solution for those looking to enhance their home security with minimal hassle.